Hey guys, Derek here. So, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I've been pretty busy with this little baby. This is the Ender 3. So, at the moment it is stock. I'm hoping to do a few bits to this. So, obviously you've got the any cubic base printing plate on it, which is really cool. Everything up here is just standard. It all just looks okay. It works really well. I've got a Raspberry Pi hooked up to it at the moment. Obviously it's a little bit dusty, but what can I say? I haven't done the fan part there. And over here is the screen, which you can't really see because of the glare, but obviously it's the Ender 3. Works really well. I do have a flex plate which is there that goes with it, but I've been using this so much better. Wait a minute, this is not right. Let's do some modifications to this. I'm sure that I can make it better. Let's see what I can do.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Okay, so after a while I've finally modded the Ender 3. So it now has a fan shroud, a fan duct, so nothing can go into where the board is, extension lead for the USB micro USB card. We also have some bracing obviously at the back, and obviously it goes to the top because obviously the height of it. We have, this is Marlin 1.1.9 with the 1.1.5 Creality board, which has the stepper drivers 2208s on it. I've got a little tray here that I can pull out for bits of some tools that I use. I have a switch here which is for some LED lighting. I can get some light on the matter when I need it. Standard power supply. Up here I have changed this now to a direct drive system. I have had to remod this part here which holds the motor, and I've also put a heatsink on the motor due to the fact obviously I'm working it a little bit harder now because it's 500mm high. Here is the dual drive direct drive system, which is you can buy, and it basically has two feeders for the extruder. That goes straight into the hot end, which is just still stock because there's nothing wrong with it. Down here, that is a hardened 1.4 nozzle, which when it decides to, there we go, so that's a 1.4 nozzle on there. And yeah, it's been a bit of a journey. This is what I'm calling my Ender 3 XL because obviously it's extra large. and this is a Lobby Area Dragon, which is a standard size, and obviously now I can now print it up to just under, well, that was I think 595, no 49, no, there you go, 500. That was a 500 size dragon compared to a standard size dragon. If you have any questions on this build, this also has a flex plate on it, which is the Area 1 flex plate. Very easy to install. There's plenty of videos out there on how to install it. Everything else is like this switch here is something I've just modded to put on here. Works really well. It's just a switch for LED lighting around it. Back plate on the board, and I think that apart from extending obviously the cables that go all the way to the top now, that's mostly about it. Apart the ABL system all on the stock board, so obviously the stock board is in there, and that's where I am at the moment. This is the modded version of the Ender 3. I'm going to call it the XL, so it's not the triple XL, it's the Ender 3 XL, just for people to know. Yeah, it's taken me a while to get to this distance, this far. I'm very happy with the outcome. Now, I've had a few questions to the quality of the stuff coming off it. Now, apart from a few obviously lines, wavy lines, everything else on there is fine. Now that's because when I was printing this, what you need to do to get rid of those lines is to slow it down. Due to the height, you need to obviously slow it down a bit, which will get rid of the lines. But yeah, this is now my main go-to printer at the moment. This is the Ender 3 XL. It's been a while for me to show it off. I've also up here, I've had to redesign a mount which turns the spool holder 90 degrees, so now I can feed it directly in to the drive, which makes things a lot more easier for it. But yes, this is the Ender 3 XL. I wanted to get a video out on it. Very happy with it. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. If you like the video, please like it. Comment any questions. I will get back to you straight away. Obviously share this, because I don't think anyone else has done the 500. I think a few other people have gone further up, but I don't know why they would. I'm not too sure. But yeah, anyway, 500, that's tall enough for me. I don't think I'm going to need to go any higher for any particular reason. But yeah, this is my Ender 3 XL. I'll see you later. Look after yourselves, be yourselves, bye.